Wood furniture is a beautiful addition to any home, but it can be difficult to keep it looking new. Over time, dirt and grime can build up on the surface of your wood furniture, making it look dull and lifeless. If you want to restore your wood furniture to its original glory, you'll need to strip it. Stripping wood furniture is a delicate process, but it's one that you can do at home with a few basic supplies. In this article, we'll walk you through the steps of stripping wood furniture, from prepping the piece to stripping the finish to sanding and refinishing. Different steps to strip wood furniture. Are you looking to strip wood furniture and give it a new lease on life? Stripping wood furniture is a great way to refinish old pieces and make them look like new again. But before you get started, there are a few things you need to know. In this article, we'll give you a quick rundown of everything you need to know about stripping wood furniture, from the supplies you'll need to the steps you need to take. So if you're ready to get started, let's take a look at how to strip wood furniture. Step 1. Choose a work area. There are a few things to think about when it comes to refinishing wood furniture. Selecting the portion of the item you want to remove is one of the most crucial decisions you'll have to make. The kind of wood you want and the finish you want will frequently influence this. In this article, we'll give you a quick overview of some of the most common areas to strip when refinishing wood furniture. Selecting the region of the artwork that you wish to strip is the first step. The most common areas to strip are the top, bottom, and sides. You can also strip the trim and molding if you want to. Once you've decided which areas you want to strip, you need to prepare the piece by sanding it down and removing any dirt or debris. Step 2. Strip away old finish. When you want to strip wood furniture, the second step is to strip away the old finish. This can be a time-consuming and messy process, but it's necessary in order to get a smooth, even surface that's ready for refinishing. A previous finish may be removed in a few different methods, but the most crucial thing is to be patient and take your time. With a little elbow grease, you'll be able to strip away that old finish and get started on giving your furniture a new lease on life. Step 3. Sand it. If you're looking to strip wood furniture, sanding is one of the most effective methods. By sanding the surface of the wood, you'll remove the existing finish and any stains or imperfections. This will leave you with a blank canvas that you can then refinish or paint to your liking. Although it can be challenging to maintain wood furniture at its best, it can be a lovely addition to any house. The wood may eventually lose its shine as a result of dirt and grime collecting on its surface over time. The other way to strip wood furniture is to sand it down to the bare wood and then refinish it. This can be a time-consuming process, but it's one of the best ways to strip wood furniture and give it a fresh, new look. Step 4. Apply sanding sealer. Whether you're refinishing an old piece of furniture or starting from scratch, applying a sanding sealer is an important step in the wood stripping process. The wood is shielded from harm and given a smooth surface for stripping with the aid of a sanding sealer. Additionally, it aids in stopping the growth of fresh rust spots. To apply a sanding sealer, start by sanding the piece of furniture with a fine grit sandpaper. Once the furniture is sanded, apply a thin layer of sealer with a paintbrush or a clean rag. Allow the sealer to dry for at least 24 hours before proceeding to the next step in the stripping process. Step 5. Apply sealant. Working with a foam brush in the direction of the grain, apply a thin coat of sealant to the wood. Make careful to explore every crevice and corner. Before applying a second layer, allow the sealant to cure for at least 2 hours. Once the second coat is dry, your furniture is ready to use.